Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. It calls number 332910. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Kevin Troy Bell. Mr. Bell is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Bell, is that your full name, Kevin Troy Bell?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bell, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Bell, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Bell, you may put your hand down. Mr. Bell, how are you doing?
A little bit better. I've been taking my medication, but I feel a little bit better.
Okay. Now, Mr. Bell, Mr. Bell, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Todd LeBlanc. Attorney LeBlanc, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Judge. Thanks.
That's good. Mr. LeBlanc, do you waive a record in Mr. Bell's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Bell, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information alleges that on July 8th of 2022, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespassing. Mr. Bell, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Now, Mr. Bell, the
Guilty.
Okay, yeah, okay, Mr.
No,
okay.
guilty.
Now, Mr. Bell, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, to criminal trespass. Yes.
Mr. Bell, Mr. Bell, I also have before me a document that is titled Trial Court Certification. Well, that's titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. It is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. On page 2 of this document, Mr. Bell, there are a set of initials KB. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir. It's right there. It's Kevin Bell is my name.
That's right. And Mr. Bell, on the next page of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled Defender. Did you also sign this document?
This document here?
No, the document that I have.
Yes, sir.
This document right here.
Oh, the screen, yes.
Yes. And on the next document that on this here tablet is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir. It's right there. They with the gentleman gave me right there. That's it.
Yes, yes. And at the top of this document, there are 2 boxes that's checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Oh, I see. Okay. I see.
And do you understand that you have no right of appeal?
Was there anything to appeal? I mean, from what the first attorney told me, he said, my attorney, he said, you got 20 days time.
No.
Yes.
Okay, what I'm saying is, on this document that I'm reading, it says that this is a plea bargain case, and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Well, I understand that. I understand what you said about. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, it also says that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you are giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Oh no, I ain't never told anybody giving up the right. But
Okay.
I see what you're saying.
No. Let me do this here. I'm gonna let you talk to your attorney for a few.